Chris is cleaning out the coop. You gonna wave, Chris?
Hi. Sorry.
It's okay.
Trying to figure out new ways.
Hello, ladies. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I'm not coming in there right now. Not with my legs exposed.
What?
I said I'm not going in there right now, not with my legs exposed. But they're doing good, guys. Just want to give you a little update. Hi, babies. You want me to hold that for you?
Yes, please.
Okay. Want to say hi to the peoples?
Hi, peoples.
Tell them what you're doing.
I'm cleaning out.
Y'all be nice over there.
Don't be mean, lady.
They tend to get a little
aggressive
with each other sometimes. And I don't have rubber boots on, or I'd go in there and love on them. But
usually fixes that.
The rubber boots keep my legs from getting pecked. How'd it look?
Well, it's not spick and span, but I think it'll work. Better than it was.
Yes. So what do you think about our ladies?
I like them. Some of them's a little meaner than others, but
yeah,
that's all right. We're learning to be good chicken parents.
Yes, we got a few that bully, but we just threatened to have chicken and dumplings.
Right?
I'm just kidding about the chicken and dumplings, guys. I love my ladies. No,
we're not ready for that yet.
No. Hello. That ugly old camper in the background.
I know. Well, what'd you show it for?
Sorry, guys. We tried. What?
It'll make a great chicken coop, or
I just want to go.
Or I mean, the goats would not sleep in there.
One of these days.
I mean, not here.
One of these days.
I mean, we can't have goats here.
We can't, no.
At some point.
But anyway, y'all, and don't look at my hair, Chin. It's Saturday. I just wanted to get a video out and tell you how the chickens was doing and how we're doing. We're doing good. My mom's been struggling with some health issues, and so y'all pray for her. Keep her in your prayers. But we're doing good. Just wanted to touch base with all of y'all. I got some stuff in the mail. I got some beautiful Christmas cards and stuff like that, and I'll try to get that at the end of the video and show y'all that. They're so funny. They stick their head out of the fence to, grass is always greener on the other side. It is time to move it. We just don't know if we're going to be able to move it right now, because this is the best spot for it right now. But we're just going to take care of them as we can. Chris shoveling poop on Saturday morning. Good compost. Good compost.
Eventually. Eventually it will be.
Alright, guys, so I wanted to show y'all a few things I got in the mail before and during Christmas time, and I'm so proud of each thing I get in the mail from y'all. It's just such a blessing. um, I'll start with the cards. This beautiful card right here, it came from Misha Lea, so a lot of y'all know her on our lives. And so Misha Lea sent this beautiful card and beautiful note, and I loved it. Then I know y'all know who that is, Southern Blessed Homestead. I love them so much. Got this from them. And I got this beautiful card. I got it from Morris Patch of Heaven Homestead, and I love this card too. And they also sent a package. Such a blessing. I love Miss Joyce, and I love watching her cook, and she's just a wealth of knowledge, so y'all check her out. But she sent me a book. Don't know if y'all, it's probably backwards, but it says Mama's Homemade Love, A Southern Woman Leaves a Legacy by Barbara Sims. And she wrote the sweetest note in it, and I will cherish this. And then also in the package, she knows I love seeds. I got big orange pumpkin seeds. And Charity loves zinnias. And look at those zinnia seeds. Charity is going to be excited about that. And just recently, Miss Joyce blessed me. I forgot, with everything that's been going on in our life, it's kind of kept me from doing my YouTube thing regularly, and I apologize for that. My mom's been kind of fighting some health issues. We just had one thing after another, and y'all know how that goes. 2020 was hard on a lot of people, and I think the ending of it was just rough on us. But we're still smiling, and we're still here, and I just feel like this year is going to be better for all of us. Praying. If it gets worse, y'all just know, keep your head up. God has got it. God has got us. But anyways, I got off on a tangent. Sorry. I do that sometimes. But I did not get to order a Baker's Creek book. I was like, oh my goodness, when everybody started showing theirs. And so on Facebook, I was like, people were saying that they were getting like 3 of them. And I was like, if anybody has any extra, please. Well, Miss Joyce, she's the first one out of many, and I thank each one of y'all. I know Miss Becky over at, I never get their name right, but I'll put it on the bottom of this video right here. Ravens, yes, I will put it on there. I'm sorry, Miss Becky, you know I get it wrong every time, and I don't know why. But anyway, Miss Joyce sent me a Baker's Creek catalog, and I also may have something coming in the mail in the next few days that I already ordered, so we'll have to do another video on that. But that was what I got in the mail, and then I'm fixing to show you what my husband got me for Christmas. And this is going to help all of us, hopefully. And this right here is what I got for Christmas from my wonderful husband. So I will unbox this and try it out and let y'all know how it goes. And y'all can let me know how it looks. So, but I love y'all guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please hit the thumbs up, share, subscribe, and we'll see y'all on the next one. God bless y'all. What are we doing here?
I don't know, you were videoing, and so I was just...
why are we...
I was handing my applications out.
She's single.
Yes. And so is Brad. And I'm me.
No. She has...
Oh, we're videoing.
She has very high standards.
Listen, I have a list. Hold on, give me a second, and I'll just lay it out for you. Let me get my phone. I'm kidding. So
what are we doing here?
I don't know. We were just videoing. Hi.
I mean, why are we here at the church?
Oh, sorry. We are practicing.
We're practicing for church tomorrow.
It's gonna be good.
Yes, it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good. What are we dancing to? Any words you would like to say to the kind people?
What was she talking about last Sunday?
Oh, this is what I was doing last Sunday. Song goes on. Report again.
Yeah.
I keep forgetting there's a mic on that. We're done.